Today is May 24th, and I am out in my little brush piles looking for little twigs, such as this right here, to stick into the ground around my cucumber and my squash seeds, because I am concerned with the cutter worms. And what those do is they come out at night and they wrap around your stem of your tender plants, and they just make a line, and they cut, and it deadheads them. It just leaves a little stem, kind of like if there was leaves on top of that right there, they would come around and wrap themselves right around that stem, and what you would have the following morning is a stem just like that. So what I'm going to do is going to put these in the ground around my seeds, and hopefully that will do the trick. And it will. I know it will. There's no hoping about it. It's something that I've done all my life. When I was kids, we used to put matches. We used to put matches around the plants, and that worked perfect. But here in the woods, we have plenty of sticks and twigs. And I am doing this because I lost 4 plants during the night. And I just planted them yesterday, so I'm not real happy. And